climactic.
Just be yourself. We've always been dreamers on the road to tomorrow.
And now we set a course for the future.
Before we can visualize tomorrow, we have to start by looking at the world of today a little differently.
That's where I can help. Let me show you how I see the world.
By using advanced climactic sensors, vehicles are constantly scanning further ahead, helping to prepare us for any.
There we go! Woo! Woo! Holy moly.
Surprises, huh? I was built for this.
Tomorrow's roads will be built with technology too, like inductive charging to help keep you power.
Smart road activated. Power transfer complete.
Smart roads.
Oh,
are
there's an
just the
e-bike like our bike.
Imagine being able to customize your vehicle at home.
Can I show them?
Go for it. First, select a new vehicle.
What about this one?
Good choice. Now let's see how it looks.
Look, let's try another. That looks good with the third row.
And here's what I think you'll really love.
Whoa, look at us.
Oh, I can get used to this.
Now how about we kick back and enjoy the ride?
Sure, it's always fun to be free.
What the heck?
Our road might have had some twists and turns, but the future is always one.
And together, we keep moving forward, finding new ways to drive to a brighter tomorrow.
Hey, Tesla! Whoa! Here we go! Here we go! Here we go! Woo! Yeah. Oh my goodness.
You can explore the latest innovations from General Motors. Not to shift gears, but please remember to watch your step and take all of your personal belongings with you. You see what I did there?
I think you should just leave the jokes to me.
Maybe you're right. Thanks for joining us.